Good evening, viewers. So one of the questions I want to address today is why choose India as a destination for coronary artery bypass surgery? Now, India perhaps has the largest pool of trained cardiac surgeons anywhere in the world. You go to the best Western countries in the world, most of the big programs are going to have Indians leading those programs. Almost all of them have been trained from the great ecosystem India has for cardiac surgical training. And cardiac surgery in India is at par with the best centers in the world. All forms of advanced cardiac surgery, whether they be minimally invasive cardiac surgery, whether they be robotic cardiac surgery, whether they be complex multivessel CABGs, surgery for heart failure, all these are undertaken in all the major centers in India, and surgeons have extraordinary results. So India is basically the crucible of major cardiac surgery across the world. And the reason why India must be the favored destination for all medical tourists is because of the fact that in cost comparisons, a CABG in, suppose say, the United States of America costs around $150,000. The same in India is much cheaper, stands somewhere between $6,000 to $8,000. And the results are good as anywhere else you look for. Coming on to India is perhaps one of the favored destinations for medical tourists from Middle East, from CIS countries, from Africa and such, because India has a very dynamic environment, great tourist attractions. Families coming from these areas can have an excellent visit in India and be, favored by our hospitality. Coming on to the types of cardiac surgery that is undertaken in our institute, cardiac surgery at Accord has got the entire gamut of adult, congenital, thoracic and complex vascular surgeries. Coming to coronary artery bypass surgeries, our principal area of interest is actually minimal access cardiac surgery. For all forms of triple vessel disease, through a 3 to 4 centimeter incision in the left or the right hemothorax, we can access the heart and give extraordinary results. Similarly, cardiac surgery in complex cases, faint multivessel angioplasties, reduced CABGs, cardiac surgery combined with valvular heart procedures and other major aortic procedures. All of these have been of forte. So I welcome you to Accord for all forms of complex cardiac surgery.